I'm Philakone, and welcome to our Discord group, a community of friends with similar goals where you belong, a place to develop your trading skills and find trades together, a library of video lessons and live trades, a place where you can ask questions and get help, and exclusive technical analysis, trading setups, and education only for members. Come trade and learn with me today. Yo, what's up everybody? Just letting you guys know that right now, there's a 7-day trial to my Discord group. It's normally $50 a month, but cancel before the 7 days if you want to. Come see what it's all about. You'll learn more with me in 3 months than you would learn anywhere else. That I can guarantee. Just spend 3 months with me, go through my library of lessons, ask me a lot of questions, and you're going to see your skills go from a lower level to a much, much higher level. So enjoy this live trade of mine. I cashed out about $15,000 today. That was my profit for last week, which was a really slow week. I don't like to keep money on exchanges because there's just too much risk. After Quadriga CX went down and they made that Netflix documentary, I actually cashed out about $100,000 the week before Quadriga CX actually went bust, and then $240 million went missing. So I don't keep any money on exchanges anymore. I'd rather keep a very low balance, cash it every week, use my same strategies, leverage a little bit more than normal, and just keep building that bankroll from 5,000, 10,000 to 25 every time, and then just cash out. So enjoy this live trade. I look forward to having a lot of you as my students. Bye now. Hey, what's up everybody? So ZRX is going again. Okay, ZRX broke out from that high, came down right there, and broke out that high by 2.5% already. Zooming out in a high time frame. Let's go to like a 2-day or something. This is one gigantic fractal. Like from here to there is the one fractal. That's important. So if you take your Fibonacci range, what you're seeing is that it's most likely going for the golden ratio. That seems very likely. It's got a lot of momentum right now to the upside. So I don't think it's going to slow down anytime soon. You know, it might go up and down 1, 2, 3, 4%, like whatever. But overall, this is pretty bullish. I think we're going to get a nice rally to the top side there. And it's just a matter of time until we hit right between this box, in between 120 and 120, like right there, whatever that is. You guys see it? 119.85 and 123-ish, around that range. So there's the high of there as well. So it looks like it's really going for there. I don't see it slowing down at all, guys. It's just too bullish right now. Everything on the time frames are just indicating bullishness. I don't even know if it's going to stop there at the golden ratio, because we don't even know what this is. This is incredible, this rally so far. So I'm up a lot today already. I'm up about $9,000. I decided to take a lot of money from my account. Took about 13,000 and then another 5 out. So now I'm back to a low account here, looking for the perfect setups to leverage. So here we are, just inching towards that region near the 120. So for 120 here, I'm going to take in a nice profit here, $2,800. That's a really big profit on a small account. But I'm probably going to go for 1.95. Let's see if this is going to keep going. But we first gotta, you always have to keep in mind that a breakout is not always a breakout. It could be an expanded flat where the B is just higher. Like it can do something like this, right? Where that's the A, that's the B, and that could be the C. Like it could easily do that. So you have to be very careful of that and mindful. But it seems like the 10-minute chart's just about to cross over. Like the 8 already went up, okay? Which means that it's beginning the next wave right now already. Let's take a look at the level 2 and just see how it's going. Level 2 is going all right. Market depth is definitely shifting to the bear side. Like the bears are near 127 ranges. Oh, that's way too high. Never mind. I'm going way too high. Let's go to like one something like around here. 118 range. So there's a lot of sellers here. If you take a look, like there's a lot more. 1.94 million on the buy side, 2.5 on the sell side. So let's see if this is the B, or if this is actually a wave to the upside. But from how it looks so far, 1, 2, I can't even count it. It's too hard to count. because it's too hard to count. It's probably a bull run in my opinion. This was a really difficult count in general. Crossed over on the 30-second chart now. Oh man, it's really difficult to count this guy. But it looks like the bulls are still at it. They're still going really hard. So I think the bulls are definitely gonna capitalize on this trade here. Right at the golden ratio. There we go. The bulls are wanting to break it to the top side here. Okay, and just to let you guys know right now, for my Discord, there's a 7-day trial. So come trade and learn with me. I called this in my group as well that we're most likely going towards the 120, 123 range. So definitely come trade with me, guys. Go to my Twitter here. It doesn't cost you guys anything to sign up. There's a 7-day trial. It's $50 a month. You still have to put in your credit card information, but if you don't want to stay in it after 7 days, just cancel it. It's easy. There's a library of resources in there, and I think that spending 3 months with me, where you can ask pretty much any question that you want, where you're gonna have a great community, a good support team, you're gonna learn a lot more in those 7 months with me. 3 months with me if you choose to stay, and then you'll learn anywhere else. That I can guarantee. So it's just smoking to the upside right now. Major bull run. Little volume, but that's okay because people haven't caught on yet. I'm up $900 on a $5,000 account right now. So let's see how the 1 minute is. 1 minute is still going up. The 1 minute still going up hard. Use that as a good gauge. But yes, we're losing steam. It's starting to diverge a little bit. Okay, so when it starts to diverge, the 30-second chart's probably crossing now, even more. There we go. It's starting to slam down, but I think that we're still going to get a major rally. The 10-minute chart right here is really wanting to cross. The 8 crossed over hard. The 5 is still going. So if you look on the higher time frame, this guy's still going extremely hard right now. I will put in my limit order at 1925 for 46,000. I always like to catch the breakouts, man. I'm okay. Like I'm okay to always catch these breakouts. I think they're super good trades to take here. So 1925, I will close my position. Shit, did I put it in here? Where is it? I don't see it on here. That's odd. Huh, I think I put in the wrong price. Oh, 19. My bad. It's the wrong price. It's 1.1925 for 46,000 right now. There we go. This should put up now. It's still going to the top side. The 1 minute's soaring. The volume actually picked up heavily right now. So we're still inching towards there. Very, very close for me closing my position. I don't think we're going to slow down here. Maybe we will. Like, just for the final, like, it might be one small corrective wave. But other than that, like, so I'm getting a little bit nervous, obviously, right? I want to make sure I lock in my profits because I'm playing with a small account here. I basically just bought it on the breakout, right? So if you buy things on the breakout, there's a high probability of you succeeding. Just wait a little bit for it to break out there. See how I waited for it to break out of here. And then a little bit higher than there. Then I went nuts on it. So I think I'm going to lock in my profit here. I'm starting to sense the hesitation already. I don't like that. On the 5-second chart, I see it. On the 15-second chart, rather, I see it hesitating. Like, it's really, but see, it's starting to come down here. Still a little bit on the upside, but I don't like the way it's looking. I'm okay to give up. Well, I don't know, that's 2%, right? It's 2%, so 1,300, that's another 2% away. Still got momentum, though. The bulls are still trying right now, see? So I like that. We're definitely not dropping, that's the thing. But the 5-second crossed over already, or the 15-second, that means that the other time frames are going to cross over. So that means I'm going to take my profit right around here. I'm going to give it a few more seconds here. That's it. Few more seconds. I'm going to give it like just another wave perhaps. And then I'm going to definitely lock in my profit. I'm going to try to go for one more small wave to the upside because the 1 minute's still going to the up. Okay. So I'm counting not 5 waves here though. I count, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I count this as one ABC to make two, and this has still got ways to go, it looks like. So based off of Elliott wave theory, there's still some ways to go, but I don't want to shoot myself in the foot here and go for something that may not even happen, right? That's important to acknowledge. What we also see is this is a 1, 2. That's definitely a 3 somewhere, right? You can agree with that. You can agree easily that this is a 1, 2. This is making a 3. So there we go. It's still going up. A little bit. Not really. That's fine. I'm going to probably sacrifice a few points here. 17 goes back up. So $1,400 profit. Too much hesitation for me. I don't like it. I'm out $1,300. Not bad from a $5,000 account here. Watch me grow this to 20,000 again easily.